Hello! I'd like to meditate with you today. Today's meditation will be on doing our makeup. Get ready with me! Do 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 do. Yeah, so we're gonna get ready together. It's Halloween! So I'm practicing my Halloween makeup. I got some lashes. They're magnetized lashes. So I will definitely need to meditate on this because I'm going to have a lot of trouble. I've only done it once and it was very difficult. If you've ever tried magnetic eyeliner, eyelashes, then you'll know that it's difficult to put on a little bit. So we'll start by recognizing our posture and being present in the moment. Just noticing anything and everything that comes and goes in our awareness. And our awareness is the knowingness, the thing in your mind that knows what you're doing, saying, thinking, or feeling at any given moment. And meditation is just when you recognize your awareness at any given moment. So I can recognize that I'm talking to you, I'm holding this thing, I'm blinking now. Every moment is different, so there's always new things to look at. So we'll just sit in the moment for a few seconds, grounding myself in my awareness of anything that comes into the present moment, into my perception. I've already got my base on because I didn't want to bore you with, just putting on foundation and stuff. And I knew my eyelashes were going to take a while, so I had to give myself ample time for that. So we start by twisting open the bottle, pulling out the eyeliner, wiping off some of the excess, and then very carefully, and trying not to block you guys from seeing, now bringing my awareness to, the nervousness that I'm feeling. Oh, see, I am already messed up completely. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Oh, this is so hard. You need to anchor your body on something and just, again, bring my awareness to the sensation of messing up and fixing it. Putting more of the product on my brush. And carefully, with awareness of the sensations of applying, trying not to blink. I have a problem with blinking. Moving my eyes around a lot. So I'll just notice that. Be present with my breath. And just get it all the way down to the bottom. I don't really want a wing. I just want the eyelashes to be the accentuating factor. Oh God, I'm really messing up. My hand is just really shaky right now. I think it's because I drank coffee. Okay, now I'm gonna just let that dry a little bit. Put on the other one. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. Oh, see, I blinked. Okay, now let me try to apply the eyelashes. I'm gonna see if it helps to use the... Last time I just used my fingers, but I'm gonna try to use... Whoa. I don't even know how to grab this. Oh, goodness. What the heck? How do you put this on? I think... Okay. Whoa. These are intense. Maybe too intense for my face. I have a very small face, so big eyelashes kind of look funny on me. Oh my, they go straight to my eyebrow. Alright, let's try this. Oh, I don't know if it looks good or not. Well, they're huge. Oh my goodness, they look silly. These are too big. Like, way too big. But that's okay, I'll have fun with them for right now. So I'll put on my blush. Okay, one side blush done. I was not meditating. Oh gosh. It just speeds by when you don't meditate. You just makeup, 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 blah, 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 you know? So I'll just notice the sensations. Dabbing on my blush. There's judgment. Is it even? Is it not? I find it difficult to blend. I don't have any brushes, so that's probably why. That's okay. Fingers are fine. And next I'm going to use my lip liner. Notice the sensations of outlining my lips. Again, just noticing sensations of putting on lipstick. Now I've got this lipstick. Nice deep red. I'll just notice. It's quite dramatic. I don't usually wear so much, well, wrong, just the eyelashes are very large. Too large. They look silly. I look like I'm a doll or something. That's okay. That's still judgment. I'm having a judgment. What's next? Oh yeah, and I'm gonna put on this Ghost Light, which is a illuminator or highlighter or whatever. And I'll put that on my cheekbones. Notice the sensation of dabbing that. Then put it on my other side. Notice the sensation on my nose. Notice the sensation on upper lip and chin. And if I can get it past these eyelashes, put it on my eyelid. And again, just notice the sensations. Right. And there you go. All dolled up for Halloween. And I'll show you my look as well. But first you just see my makeup. It's very dramatic. And I'll show you my costume now. So here's my Halloween costume. I'm gonna have vampire teeth tomorrow or today for tonight for Halloween. So first outfit and then outfit change. Very different. Feel a bit more 80s feel. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing for Halloween. You gotta have a costume change. Hope you enjoyed. Have an awesome day. Day.